Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
I see Deputy Leader. Deputy Leader.
Good afternoon, Honorable Speaker. I rise on a point of correction and a point of order. The Honorable Member who has just resumed his seat was misinforming the nation and disinforming the nation about, and he mentioned in his speech about 98 billion and the Amaryllis case. The case that is under public inquiry. Would want to say this. One, the matter is under public inquiry, and surely it is not right to bring it on the table in the House. Number two, Malawians should know the masterminder of the Amaryllis deal. It is the government of Chakwera. It is Zamba. It is Zamba who masterminded this. And Zamba recruited Kizaso Nyilongo. It is Zamba who recruited Kizaso Nyilongo. And Kizaso Nyilongo went on.
Deputy.
Still this man.
Deputy Leader.
Mr. Speaker,
Can I have order, please?
I would want to say this. This side will not.
Deputy Leader, let me say this.
Not remain quiet.
Order.
Can I finish?
Order. Can I say something?
Can I finish?
Please sit down.
I will finish.
Deputy Leader, avoid mentioning names of people that are not.
I will withdraw the names, but I should say that this deal started in the previous government of my Congress party. This former. No. I will mention Zamba. I will mention Zamba again. And it is also Nyilango. I will mention. Now, Honorable Speaker, it is not also true that the Minister of Finance does not administer pension funds. He doesn't administer pension funds. Pension funds, the former Minister of Finance is here, he can actually bear testimony. Pension funds are funds that are managed by fund managers. That money is with the banks. When they are paying, that money is not paid by the Minister of Finance. Now, to allege that the Minister of Finance is at the center of this, that is wrong. So, I want to finish like this. Chair of Public Accounts, call Chakwera to come and testify. Call Zamba to come and testify. We want to know what happened. Thank you very much. We want to know what
Thank you. Honourable members, please let's take our seats. Leader, let me say one thing before you come in. Honourable members, as I said earlier, the issue of Amaryllis Hotel is being handled by our competent committee. I will not entertain any more discussions regarding Amaryllis Hotel in the chamber, and we will wait for the right time to bring that issue when the committee is done. Let us not preempt. What we are doing is totally wrong because we don't know what the committee will come up with and will recommend. So for now, Let the committee do its job. Let's give them the support they need, and they will come out with a report. Thank you so much. Leader, I saw you standing.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker, for that very important guidance, which is appreciated. But it is also important to underscore one important fundamental, that when you are conducting an inquiry, it doesn't start with the end. It starts with the beginning. This is very important, because for you to ascertain what has happened, you must start with the origin of the whole issue. I thought I needed to put this on record. Second, that it is this administration that brought a statement in this very house in regards to this important issue. For one good reason: transparency and accountability demands that the matter be brought to this house, and that's what we did. And I thought ordinarily that side of the house should have been very appreciative, that as a government, we came and brought this information, in the house for them to conduct an inquiry. So I thought I needed to set this straight. That said, yes, that said, I wanted to indicate one thing, that no one in this house has got the authority or the power to dictate to the president what he must do. The president has spoken, and I listened to the leader of the house, demanding that the president must act and fire individuals. Our president is a professor of law. He does things procedurally. That is why he said he was following this matter with keen interest. Coming from a learned man, we need to take that word seriously. And therefore, to attempt to influence the president to make decisions in a rush, that will not happen. This must be put on record. That will not happen. The president will act as and when he deems it fit. I wanted to put this on record in response to what the head of the opposition had indicated. I submit, Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, Leader. Before I come to you, Opposition Whip, I've seen Honourable Minister of Education has been rising for some time now. Let me give him a chance.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. The honourable member who took the floor repeated a rumor to the effect that this government is going to be charging a fee for certificates. He repeated that it was a rumor. As soon as the rumor that was propagated by that side came out, we issued a statement that this rumor is false. It is untrue. It is therefore disingenuous of the honorable member to repeat that rumor here. Having originated it themselves, they want to perpetuate it. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Usaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.